Good evening, Esparto Middle School families. This is Mrs. Kular, and I would like to welcome you to our virtual academic awards assembly for semester 1 of this school year. All of the students who are being honored tonight have worked hard to receive a 3.0 or higher on their report card. These students have not only overcome the typical everyday challenges faced by middle school students, but they have also overcome the additional new challenges brought upon them by the pandemic. The entire staff at Esparto Middle School is so proud of these students who have put in the hard work, dedication, and commitment in order to achieve this award tonight. We would also like to thank you for supporting your child at home so that they're successful in the classroom. Before we begin announcing the names of the awards recipients, I would like to first present the 3 categories for the awards tonight. The students who earned between a 3.0 and 3.49 GPA last semester are considered to be on the honor roll. The students who earned between a 3.5 and a 3.9 GPA are on the high honor roll. And finally, the students who earned a 4.0 GPA are on the principal's honor roll. The students will receive their certificates tomorrow. And now, for the moment that you have all been waiting for, here are our award recipients. 6th grade students who earned between a 3.0 and a 3.49 are Casey Valley, Isaac Silva, Tatiana Perez, Juliana Liviano, Angelina Lopez, Ace Chavarria, Alejandro Chavarin, Azael Carrasco, Ezra Bear, Andrew Senholm, Fatima Moreno, Adam George, Neri Camargo, Ariana Montoya, and Cassandra Heredia Bravo. 7th graders who have achieved between a 3.0 and a 3.49 GPA are Brian Contreras, Natalie Banuelos, Liliana Ceja, Liani Jimenez, Lisandra Martinez, Faith Simpson, Taylor Breckenridge, and Colt Johnson. Our 8th graders who received between a 3.0 and 3.49 GPA are Lily Buenvenida, Nevaeh Winston, Mackenzie Carlsted, Gavin Hurst, Ethan Guillen, Aaron Dabalos, Angel Aguilera, Andres Plasencia, Marcos Magana, Jennifer Garnica Lopez, Karen Bautista Villa, and Evelyn Banuelos. And now on to the next category of high honor roll. Our 6th graders who earned high honor roll are Yareli Segura, Jaslyn Lopez, Allison Huitron, Octavio Esteves, Landon Yanez, Ramiro Moreno, Angel Magana, Sofia Lopez, Diego Del Toro, Adan Sotelo, Summer Sihapanya, Sergio Hernandez, Alec Fayard, Ruben Aguilar, Lisa Tobin, Ivan Chappelle, and Alexander Melendres. Our 7th graders who earned the high honor roll are Irvin Zamora, Janisha Santamaria, Jamile de la Luz Ledesma, Betsy Bermudez, Emily Mendiola, and Riata Chappelle. And our 8th graders who have earned high honor roll are Philemon Ramirez, Camila Moreno, Camila Pantoja, Kiaja Wilson, Carolina Montes, Diana Lucero, and Jimena Bermudez. And now on to the final category of Principal's Honor Roll. These are the students who earned all straight A's last semester, achieving a 4.0 GPA. I will start off with 6th grade again. Our 6th graders on the Principal's Honor Roll are Edgar De La Luz, Mason Forzaglia, Denise Hernandez, Diego Hernandez Sanchez, Wyatt Johnson, Anderson Martinez Marin, Cheyenne Munson, and Yaritzi Solorio. Our seventh graders who have earned the principal's honor roll are Eliel Frosto, Camila Gomez Bravo, Stephanie Junez, Alexander Luna, and Ariline Villarreal. And finally, our eighth graders who have earned the principal's honor roll are Giselle Villegas and Rylan McAllister. Again, I would like to mention how proud our entire staff is of these students who have accomplished so much during these hard times. Students, you can pick up your honor roll certificates from the office at any time tomorrow. Thank you all and have a great evening.